Just the other day, I was asked the question when I plan to retire, mainly because I'm an entrepreneur and I've always been in business for myself and done lots of different things. But I found the question slightly odd because I'm not anywhere near a retirement age, and nor would I ever really consider retiring because I plan to just continue working. And apparently an employment judge has found exactly the same thing. The Times reports that employment judge James Bax has ruled that asking someone when they plan to retire is unfavourable treatment, and that it's unreasonable to ask someone when they intend to retire, because someone who is clinging on to job security and perhaps in their 60s, as was the claimant in this particular case, may feel that they are being treated unfairly simply by being asked the question as to when or whether they plan to retire. In the case, the judge found that somebody 30 years younger would not be asked about their plans to stop working because they wouldn't be able to start taking their pension. Now, whilst I'm not quite 30 years younger, I was asked this question just the other day, and I did find it a little bit strange. I can't go as far as saying I felt it was discriminatory or unreasonable or unfavourable. It was just a little bit odd, but I think that's because my background is a little bit unusual compared to most. I've always had my own business and I haven't depended on an employed role, and therefore my plans might be a little bit different than most. So this can only really serve to be a lesson both to employers not to ask the question as to when someone is planning to retire, and employees, if you have been asked the question, certainly if you've been asked more than once, this, certainly according to this employment judge, would be unreasonable and unfavourable treatment and could result in you being awarded compensation. So if you find yourself in this position as the employer and you're thinking about asking this question, I would suggest that you avoid asking such questions that might be age related. And on the other hand, if you are an employee and you are being pressured as to when you are going to retire, then I might suggest that you contact a lawyer for some formal advice, because as I said, that might be unfair and might result in compensation. So please do share this video with someone you think might find it useful. Remember to like it because that helps the algorithm, and thank you for watching.